Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a live event on Facebook. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and log into your account. Now go to the menu bar, then tap on your profile picture or name to access your profile page. Scroll down and click on Edit Public Details. Now tap on Edit About Info. Now I scroll all the way down and under live event, tap on add live event. Click on the create button to create a new live event. It will show you a lot of event options. Choose the type of live event you want to add. Enter the event details such as title, date, and description. You can add photos or videos if you like. Click on next and then choose who will see the event by adjusting the privacy settings. Tap share to save the live event on your profile. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.